I came up one video of Usmania Hospital in the new block of Khuli Qutub Shah block. The patients' saline bottles were hanging with a tree guard. With a tree, it was hanging. Instead of the saline that stand with the glucose bottle in hand, there was a tree branch was there. So it is very shame that the hospital, which is a COVID hospital for Telangana 4 crore people, but the hospital has been in the news since the COVID epidemic started. Recently, there was a news of the sewer line overflowing. The old building has been totally closed. The patients are not being treated there. Now they have shifted the patient to Khuli Qutub Shah building. The water is entering that building also, and yesterday's video is a very shame video of for the government. I have been challenging to prove that the chief minister is not taking care of the Osmania hospital and his patients. Day before yesterday, his son KT Ramarao, who is the MNUD minister and the working president of the TRS party, has come up to the Mauzamjai market to inaugurate a renovation of Mauzamjai market. So the Mauzamjai market is a walkable distance to the Osmania General Hospital. Neither the MP Asaduddin Owaisi, whose area falls under who hospital comes under his area of Hyderabad Parliament, nor Raja Singh MLA Goshamel, under whose constituency the Osmania hospital comes, they could have taken the minister to that hospital. They should have forced the minister to come to there. Neither Asaduddin Owaisi took the minister there, nor Raja Singh agitated in front of the minister. He should have sit in front of the car of the KT Ramarao and asked him to see the Osmania hospital, but no one cares. The MP gets a 5 crore rupees MP LAD Member of Parliament Local Area Development Fund. The concerned MLA Goshamel Raja Singh gets the 3 to 5 crore rupees as MLA Development Fund. Not a single penny from the MP fund or the MLA fund. Nor Asaduddin Owaisi gave his MP fund, nor Raja Singh gave his a single rupee to the Osmania hospital. Moreover, there is a Osmania Hospital Development Committee which consists of the Minister of Health, the Principal Secretary of Health, the Chief Secretary, the Superintendent, the concerned MP Hyderabad Lok Sabha, the Goshamel MLA and other MLAs and MPs are a part of the development constituency, part of the Osmania Development Committee. But since last 6 years, the Telangana formation and CM KCR becoming the CM, since last 6 years, not a single time that committee has sit and decided what to do with the Osmania hospital. Day by day, it is being overlooked. More than 40 to 50% of Osmania hospital old building which was built by Nizam has been totally closed and it may collapse anytime. There has been reports of overflowing water, sewer water entering. There has been reports of dogs entering the patient area, taking the belongings of the patient. There has been reports of ceiling falling on the patient. The doctors' lives are in threat. The doctors are not being provided proper facility to work. Moreover, the oxygen cylinders are not being provided to the Osmania hospital. So there has been consecutive negligence in the Osmania hospital. The funds are not being released to the Osmania hospital. Moreover, on one side, Asaduddin Owaisi, whose jurisdiction comes under Osmania hospital, has never visited the hospital. He talks big about Muslim, he talks big about the entire India, but in his own constituency, the people are dying in Osmania hospital, but he is not coming to the Osmania hospital, means what you can say. On the other side, Raja Singh MLA, he has been on social media criticizing the TRS government. He has been on the social media raising the issues. But in spite of being from the ruling party, the next Secunderabad Member of Parliament, Kishan Reddy, is a Union Home Minister. He has never represented the Osmania General Hospital to his central ministers. In the center, there is a BJP government. Has Raja Singh one time met the Union Home Minister? I am asking him. He has never visited Delhi. He has never represented the Osmania General Hospital problems with his own party member, who is a member of parliament. He is a Union Health Minister and a Union Home Minister also. So Raja Singh also only he is talking, but he is not doing any representation. See, since last 6 years there is a BJP government in the center, and last 6 years Raja Singh is the Goshamal MLA. I am challenging Raja Singh to prove whether one time you have represented to the central government. Show me your letter or show me your photo. You have met the Union Health Minister and represented, and you have got the funds from the central government to develop the Usmania General Hospital. So on one side there is a negligence from the AIMIM party, the negligence from the BJP party, and the ruling party. All three parties are neglecting the Usmania General Hospital. One day it may collapse, and then only the government will say that the old building has collapsed. What we should do? Day by day the TRS government is closing the government establishment and allowing the private hospitals to run. So I condemn this statement, I condemn the act of this entire three parties, and I demand that minimum 100 crores should be immediately released to the Usmania General Hospital. I have written a letter to the Governor Tamilisai Madam to visit the Usmania Hospital, but I am very sad to say that the Honorable Governor Madam has not acknowledged my tweet or letter also, and she has neither visited the Usmania General Hospital nor has asked about the report, nor she has sent anybody to the Usmania General Hospital. Now everyone is neglecting Usmania Hospital. Where should these 4 crores of Telangana people should go during this epidemic? I want the answer from the government.